viewers, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how Banknifty and Nifty will be behaving tomorrow. So let us go ahead and understand what are the most critical levels and see what are the important areas that we can initiate the trade. Now, mostly likely what has happened here is a lot of you guys would have seen the market has recovered more than 100% right from the bottom and has gone to the top. But there is one very important thing that I want to tell you, that on a daily basis, there was only one closing on the 12th of April, which was below the 31,500 mark. And this is the next closing that is below 31,500 mark. So clearly, this might have been an impulsive move, but there might be a series of short selling which might come into picture, and that trigger will happen over here. So the most important thing that we have here is this particular support. So if by any chance Bank Nifty goes ahead and opens down and crosses this level, then we are going to see 30,000 that is going to be reached over here within no time. Now before that, there is going to be an obstacle here of 30,200 that it has to take. The reason why these levels come in is because over here, this is the area of support, and the previous low that we have over here on the 29th of January is over here, and that is 30,213. And if that is not keeping up, we will go ahead and see 29,685 as the next target. Now, a very important thing that I want to tell you is there is a very difficult situation around. Okay, now COVID cases are rising and all of that has been happening eventually. So there might be a trigger that this market might have an impulsive move, but I will not be interested to go ahead and buy a CE. But however, if Bank Nifty crosses the high of here, I'm going to wait for it to consolidate and cross the level of 31,414, and then is when I'm going to be looking for a decent amount of target until 300 points that would be above this. So there will be no trading zone for me over here that will be enacted, and pretty much this area I would not want to be trading. So I want the market to open up, consolidate, and break this level for the top, or else if it is going to open in between this particular range and has a flow, breaks this level, then I'm going to go ahead and look for a bottom over here. Similar to Nifty. Now Nifty has a similar scenario, but Nifty had always had a trend line. Now this trend line was very important for its support, but now it has gone ahead and broken the trend line. So the next important thing in Nifty comes is the another trend line that is over here at the bottom. So anywhere somehow if we consolidate and break, this particular area would be a no trading zone for us. So please avoid any trades between 14,288 till 14,252, and below that we can have a quick spurt around to test the bottom. And then if you go to the daily candles and try to understand and see what are the levels, then the other peak level that we are going to see over here at the bottom is nothing but 13,000. So there are huge numbers that are going to open up, but I want you to be very, very careful that until and unless this is being closed below the certain level, we should not be interested in going ahead initiating a trade. So with this, I want you to have an information about which are the levels that you should avoid for trading, which are the levels you should go for. And until there is some motivating news from the government or anything as such, I'm going to remain bearish. So with this information, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead with your loved ones, and we'll see you tomorrow with another video. Take care. Jai Hind. Bye-bye.